Today, I'm going to show you how to delete or cancel your Google Ads account in just a couple of quick steps. If you're no longer running campaigns or simply want to pause your advertising efforts, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and confidently. Even though it may look complicated at first, the entire process is straightforward once you know where everything is located. Start by opening your browser and navigating to ads.google.com. You can also type Google Ads into your search bar if that's easier. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your Google account, credentials, and you'll be taken directly to your main dashboard. This is the control center for all your campaigns, settings, and billing. Now that you're inside your account, direct your attention to the upper right corner and look for the gear icon labeled Admin. Go ahead and click it. This section gives you access to all the important tools and settings tied to your account. It's where you can manage permissions, billing, preferences, and of course, your account status. Inside the admin area, locate and select account settings. This is where you'll find detailed controls for how your Google Ads account operates. Once the settings page opens, look for the section labeled Account Status. This is the area that shows whether your account is active, paused, or scheduled for cancellation. Inside Account Status, you'll see the option to cancel your account. It may be labeled Cancel My Account or something similar, depending on Google's latest layout. Click the option and Google will guide you through a quick confirmation screen. This step is important because once the cancellation is complete, your ads will stop running and access to certain features may become limited. Confirm your choice by following the on-screen instructions. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for cancellation. In many cases, Google provides a short window where you can reverse the cancellation if you change your mind, but this isn't guaranteed, so make sure you're ready before finalizing your decision. Also, remember to review any unused credits, outstanding charges, or billing issues to ensure everything is fully resolved. And that's all it takes to delete or cancel your Google Ads account. The entire process only takes a minute or two. Once you know where to look, I hope this walkthrough made things easier and helped you close out your account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out my other tutorials whenever you need more step-by-step guidance.